Join me as I dive into the world of keto meal kits and see if they really live up to the hype. Let's find out if I can survive a whole week on them. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm trying out keto meal kits so you don't have to. I know a lot of you are curious about these kits and whether they're worth the investment, so let's dive right in. One of the biggest challenges people face when starting a keto diet is meal planning. I mean, it's hard to come up with new recipes, figure out the right macros, and source all the ingredients. On top of that, it can be super time-consuming to prep all your meals for the week. And let's be real, who has the time for that? Another issue is sourcing the right ingredients, especially if you're new to keto and not sure what you need. And then there's the added pressure of making sure you're getting enough nutrients while also staying within your keto limits. It can be overwhelming, to say the least. Additionally, there's the issue of food waste. When you're trying new recipes, you inevitably end up with leftover ingredients that you might not use again. And that's just not sustainable, either for your wallet or the environment. And finally, there's the problem of convenience. When you're busy, the last thing you want to do is spend hours cooking a meal from scratch. So that's why keto meal kits seem like a great solution. They promise to take care of all the meal planning, ingredient sourcing, and prep work for you. But do they really deliver? That's what I'm here to find out. The keto meal kits I tried came with a range of meals from breakfast to dinner, and even some snacks in between. The box arrived with everything I needed for the week, including meats, veggies, oils, and spices. The meals included things like keto pancakes, cauliflower rice, and zucchini noodles with meat sauce. I was excited to dive in and see how they tasted. My experience with the meals was pretty mixed. Some dishes were surprisingly tasty while others were kind of a letdown. The keto pancakes, for example, were really good, nice and fluffy, and not at all eggy tasting. But the cauliflower rice was a bit bland, even with the added seasonings. And the zucchini noodles with meat sauce were just okay, nothing special. In terms of convenience, the kits definitely delivered. The prep work was minimal and the instructions were easy to follow. But in terms of value, I'm not entirely convinced. The prices of these kits can add up quickly, and I'm not sure they're worth the cost, especially if you're on a budget. And then there's the issue of customization. If you have specific dietary needs or preferences, these kits might not be the best fit for you. All in all, my experience with the keto meal kits was a mixed bag. There were some positives, like the convenience and ease of use, but also some negatives, like the taste and value. If you're thinking of trying these kits out, I'd say they're worth a shot, but maybe not a long-term solution. Thanks for watching, guys. If you've tried keto meal kits before, I'd love to hear about your experience in the comments. I also have links to some keto meal kit below in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you in my next video.